Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. So I have some pieces here, and previous gel pulls, and we'll see what I could do with them. I've taken 8.5 by 11.5 paper, and I sort of drew some lines randomly on it. I just felt like doing it. I don't know why. And so I want to see what I can create with these pieces that I have here. So I've cut them in pieces, and I think I took away one of those colors or two and brought in these here, and so I'm going to glue them down and see what it looks like. Well, this is what I have so far, and was just going with the first thing that crossed my mind. As usual, I didn't really put a lot of thought into it. A little bit of mark making on it. And if I take the matting, and then it stands out a little more. And so pieces don't have to match. They don't have to, they can be in the same color family, or it's a little blue here, from the blue here, from the blue here, but the pattern overall doesn't have to match at all. And it's always good to have a pop of color, and you see some red here, orange here, but it works. And I know the natural normal thing is to, when we're putting together, whether it's collage or putting our colors together to pull prints, sometimes the tendency is to look for colors that right off the bat seem to go together, seem to blend. And that works often. But sometimes a piece can be a little bit more interesting if the pieces are not necessarily matching, from same patterns, different sizes, and just playing around with color. And that's what I like about pulling these gel prints, is that at the end of the day I can sort through my batch and start pulling pieces that are, you know, odd and wouldn't normally go together. So this was quick, easy piece, and it pushes me to evaluate things differently, color and shapes, and it gets me to thinking outside the box. Thanks for hanging out with me for today. Keep doing art, and the next time we'll see what else I can come up with. And thank you to my recent subscribers. I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. Thank you for the support.